og makahatag kag advice sa imuhang younger self, what would it be? Ako na ko'y 5. Number 1, save as much money as you can until makagrow ka og emergency fund. Pwede na kay arbitrary number like 50,000. After that, pwede ka mag-save maybe 5,000. Lipay-lipay fund. You can go shopping, buy iced coffee every day, whatever. Try saving on an online banking app. For example, CIMB. Mas taas ni siya interest rates versus mga traditional banks. Mas dali mo grow imuhang savings. Ikaduha, invest early. As a beginner, you can try sa bank. They have UITFs or Unit Investment Trust Funds. Actually, they will make you take an assessment depending sa imong risk appetite, and then mo suggest na sila nimo og unsa UITF bagay nimo. But for me, I just go for equity index. Just do it. Pwede ka mo suway sa government. Like sa Pag-ibig Fund, they have MP2. Dako-dako sa sila og interest. At least try those first. The earlier the better. Ayaw dyan na i-liquidate, ayaw sa na ibaligya. Let it grow. The reason nga nung giuna na kog mention ang savings versus investment, you need something liquid in case of emergency. Buy a UITF or MP2 and just leave it for 5 years, 5 to 10 years. Pwede nimo dagdagan every once in a while, pero ayaw kwa isa di mo makuha ng MP2. Number 3, health. Anad-anara na imuhang lawas karon mientras sayo pa. Eat healthy. Occasional cheat days are fine. Minus-minusan na nimo imong pagkaon og ultra processed foods, high sugar content, taas og preservatives. Go for savory, organic food. It doesn't have to be perfect. Ayaw lang na mga taas og sugar. Try to avoid mga artificial sweeteners. Maka-affect siya sa imong gut microbiome. So mostly nutrition na ako ang storya, no? Pero apel na ng exercise. While bata pa ka and full of energy, push yourself to your physical limits. Mo dyan akong gimahayan. Build muscle naturally. Ayaw pag steroids. Be athletic. Oh my God, you have no idea how much I regret not being so extremely insane when it comes to sports, mountaineering. Build your muscles while you can. Lisod na kaayo once you grow older. For women nga maabot og perimenopausal stage, hilis ginitanan. As much as possible, build your muscles in your 20s. Ayaw na anang magpa-sexy, magpaniwang. Girl, magmahay ka. Lisod kaayo ang muscles. And di man necessary nga mo spend you ka so much on it, no? Increase your protein intake and just keep on lifting weights. You can do calisthenics as well. The internet is a beautiful place for getting all the information that you need. Find a tutorial on YouTube. Mga reliable nga podcasts. Daghan kay ka makatunan. 4th, manage your stress. Learn to say no. Girl, don't complicate things. Ikaw ra ang nag-overanalyze. Don't dwell on those problems. Update your resume. Just get over it. Finally, number 5. And I know this must be very unpopular decision. Stay unmarried and child-free. This country doesn't have divorce. There's not a lot of support for mothers. Don't complicate your life. Just because you and your partner are bored doesn't mean you're ready to have a child. A baby cannot save a broken relationship. If you're afraid that no one will take care of you when you're old, bitch, you're not supposed to make your children your free caregiver. They're not your investment. Okay, so muna to akong top 5. I'm sure na pa may better advice nga mahatag. Yeah, nabuhat man din ako tanan, no? But I wish I could have started earlier. Labi na sa investments and savings. Pero itong time wa pa man sa ni-exist ang CIMB, so hayahay naman kaayo ning mga batanon karon. They can start investing early, they can start saving early. Manage your health, manage your stress levels, and don't get pregnant. Especially when you're in your 20s. lisod na daan ang kinabuhi. Ayaw pa sa mote. Labi na wala pa nitong problema, ayaw paghimo og problema. Stay safe, stay independent, stay healthy.